Hello, and thank you for joining our webinar today titled Lessen Marketing Misfires and Launch a Measurable PR and Marketing Campaign. This webinar is brought to you by Blue Scorpion Reputation Management. We are a relationship-driven specialist communications firm based on outcome-driven principles. Consider us a value-added partner to deliver public relations and marketing solutions for your business. Use us as your support team. We're glad you've joined us. Do you wonder how most marketing and PR plans fail? It's because strategy isn't considered. What I think or you think doesn't work, especially if you don't consider the impact. A press release alone doesn't work. Consider other communication options, but first work from a thoughtful plan toward a targeted audience to derive solid results. It's not just about generating the maximum publicity for your organization. Your organization's reputation matters and should be considered at all times before an issue arises. Don't let a failed campaign become an issue or blow up into a crisis. PR and marketing have certain processes that can deliver measurable results. Consider your strategy before launching a campaign, conducting research, planning for your campaign, implementing it, then conducting an evaluation is the best way to separate the hits from some stunning misfires. Research, planning, implementation, and evaluation makes for a well-planned public relations campaign. This webinar will provide 5 ways to lessen PR and marketing misfires when launching your campaign. These steps require a time commitment that will pay off long term. Step 1. Take ownership of defining goals for your organization and create clear objectives. Stretch your goals and think about what you want your organization to be. Thinking in those terms will give you clear direction. Step 2. Involve your team. Take your team out of their comfort zone. Create balanced team roles. Start building a team internally and externally and think of them as your ambassadors. Giving your external team a role is another way to build customer loyalty. Step 3. Own your own content. Let's work through the type of content that is most valuable to your intended audience. Launching an email marketing campaign is one way of reaching a specific group. Step 4. Create a thought leadership platform. Use your expertise to achieve your business goals. People want your advice. Give it to them as a way to exercise you and your company's strengths. Step 5. Have a detailed contingency plan. Scan your environment to get to identify the risks that could arise. Make plans and make improvements to eliminate or lessen the impact. These steps can be applied locally or scaled for the global market. Mitigate the impact of negative publicity and stave a corporate crisis. Let BSRM nurture your brand. We coordinate activations, campaigns, and compile information, turning it into compelling content. Let us create tremendous marketing activations and stunning PR campaigns based upon research with appropriate planning based on objectives and outcomes that are measurable. Blue Scorpion Reputation Management uses public relations theory for message development and media relations strategies for various outreach methods. We are effective and affordable. If you want a higher return on your investment, then choose us. If you like what you heard today and want to learn more, please visit us online at bluereputation.today. Follow us online at Blue Scorpion RM on Twitter and Facebook, and at careers_BlueScorpionRM on Instagram. Contact us today and get started. We look forward to talking to you soon.